Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to do the weekly setup in my B6 Stalogy, which is my everyday planner. This is what it looks like. It is in a B6 Moterm cover. It's so thick now that I can't really snap it. I have to take some things out of my pockets and take the pin out to snap it. But we're close to the end of the year. I haven't cut the spine this year. I did cut it last year. I'm not sure that I will cut it this year. I think I can make it through the end of the year without cutting it. So this is the previous week. So we're going to be doing the 6th through the 12th. So this is the previous week, the end of October, beginning of November. This is my November title page and monthly calendar. I haven't done anything on this page, so I was thinking I would use this dashboard. This is a digital that's available to Scrapcraftastic patrons over on my Patreon. If you're interested in joining, the join link is in the description box below. So let's just go ahead and put this on. I'm not going to do any real decorating here. I think having the sticker dashboard is good, and I don't really feel like I need to add much more to it. So hopefully I'm lining this up pretty well. And there we go. So that is like the easiest tip-in dashboard thing you can do is print a full-size sticker and just add it to the page. All right. So this is November. I drew it out. I used the numbers from Crafting by the Pound. These are old day of the week stickers from Piper Paper Company, and the November is from my holidays and occasions printables that are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. So I think that takes care of November. I may come back and spruce it up around the edges a little bit. I don't know what I would do, but for now I think I'm going to call that good. So then we're going to move on to the weekly, and again that is the 6th through the 12th. I've already put down the washi tape and I drew my lines. I'm going to do columns again like I did in the previous 2 spreads. Even though I don't have a kit that I want to use, let's see if we can make this work without a kit. Well, a traditional kit with boxes. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded, and I pulled these stickers. I got these are from August from Let's Get Plan. I'm thinking I may use them to supplement what I use, the other stickers that I'm going to use. So this is Mindfulness, another Let's Get Planned kit. And I'm calling this a kit because it has days of the week. But these are the 2 pages. I don't have a lot going on this week, so I think I can make this work. I really love this sticker here, and it's huge. So I'm thinking I'm going to use it here. But let's go ahead and put down the days of the week, and then I'll come back in and put down the dates. For the dates, let's see, what can I use? All right, let's see what I can find in dates and holidays for the days of, or the dates. Okay, so yeah, this is Dates and Holidays from the Happy Planner. This is an old book from 2017. All right, let's put these down. So that's done. Now, I definitely want to use this sticker. She's going to take up a lot of space, so I'm going to overlap the washi tape for this. Did I just tear that? I just tore that. I declare, I just cannot get these stickers off without making a big old mess. But I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm just going to do a little sticker surgery and add this back on. Let's see, am I putting it in the right place? I think so. Okay, and then let's put this on Monday. So I have one thing this week that I know of. And then I can put my list. I'm going to use this for listing or to-dos on Monday as well. I'm going to put this on Tuesday. Nope. Let's use these. Probably should have put that on the other page, but it's okay. Then I'll put this down here. And then I'll put one over on, Saturday, but I'll put it down low. So even though this isn't dated, it's not the 3 sections like the Happy Planner used to have. My first memories of Happy Planner was where they would have morning, afternoon, evening, or I can't remember if it was evening or night. But those 3 boxes on the vertical planner had a label for the time of day, and my brain still thinks that way when I'm planning vertically. So I'll put things that I need to do in the morning or that are concerned with the morning up top, middle of the day here, evening, night here. So yeah, that made an impression on me apparently because I still think of it in that way. Okay, let's put this little hanging thing. I love these little wall hangings and things like that Let's Get Planned includes. I think that'll work right there. Or the wall art. I'll just pull that off. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll just use it right here. But I definitely want to use a plant. Just try not to tear any leaves off. I wanted to use this one. It says, write down your thoughts. And then I don't often use these, but I'm going to use one of these to-dos here. And should I use it on top of the box or in the box? I think in the box. And then let's use the dark green bullet point. I feel like I don't really have any fall stickers that aren't already allocated to something else. So I'm kind of turning this kit into a fall themed kit. Let's put some orange over here. And I don't think I have room to really add one of these, and I don't think I need to. I thought I would need another decorative element, but I think we are good. Let's see. You can go ahead and try and use these triangles. Yeah, that one came off right. How are they supposed to go? I'm just gonna put it like that. I hope that's right. Maybe it's supposed to go like this. And put it like that. Okay. So that was quick and easy. Oh, what is this? I didn't use that. Let's use it. This is a bust with a plant in it. Where can we add that? I really don't have anywhere to add him. I'm gonna stick him right here. Can barely see him though. Let's not save him for another time. Okay. So let's go ahead and get our task added in. So we're gonna run errands on Saturday. Definitely. Let's put it up in the box in case I need to write something underneath the box. Am I starting from the beginning? Kind of, yeah. Okay, we'll do a plan next week on Sunday. Oh, that 6 is down kind of low compared to everything else. I just noticed it. Let's move it up a little bit if I can. If not, then I won't worry about it. But I can. Okay. Let's move it up a hair. Try to be somewhat balanced and equal. Now it might be up too high. Okay, so payday Wednesday. I'm just gonna kind of put it to the side right there. And then let's do I'm gonna do buy groceries on Tuesday. Maybe today. I'm gonna put that here in the task box. Laundry day on Tuesday. So post office on Friday. Gonna put this on Monday as well. I'm gonna go back to last week because I washed my hair here. So I want to add that. And I think that is it for that. Where's the pink book? Some more of the stickers that I've somewhat forgotten. Not quite, but somewhat. Let's put this down for Sunday because we went and got smoothies. So here we go. Doctor's appointment. I think that is probably about it. Yes. Let's use a couple of these. Let's see. I'm doing really good on my cooking. Trying to cook at home. I even got myself a coffee maker. Believe it or not, I didn't have one. I'd had one years ago and I just never got another one. So yeah, I've been, since the panini, we started eating out a lot. And I'm trying to cut that out. So there has been a lot of cooking going on. For me anyway. And I don't mind cooking in the fall and winter. It's the summertime. I cannot stand cooking in the summer. It's just entirely too hot. Who wants to cook? So yeah, I've been cooking. So anyway, that is everything for this week, the 6th through the 12th of November 2023. I used a kit from Let's Get Plan. The date dots are from the Happy Planner Dates and Holidays sticker book. Washi tape is from Simply Gilded. I do have a discount code for Let's Get Planned. The link and the code will be in the description box below. Then let's go back. This dashboard sticker is available to Scrapcraftastic patrons as well as the month. Okay, my pages are getting really wrinkled up. Gotta be more careful. I think that turned out pretty good. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.